Fabulous cooking class with J. We took part in the morning session with a market tour. The market tour is a quick stop at a veg stand in a local store. Got to smell lots of interesting ingredients. There was a lot of people, so our groups were split into two, several people per group, but didn't feel hidden, and we all had a turn on the bits that were shared. Food was delicious and class was very fun. There were even kids in our group, each of which had individual help when needed, hot stove and knives. My wife and I were so glad we did this and would definitely do another cooking class in the future. We got stuck in traffic, and consequently was about 15 minutes late in getting to the meeting point. However, they were patient and helpful in guiding us to where they were at. On arrival, our host April was cheerful and made the cooking class not only fun, but also informative about the ingredients we used. The venue was clean and the House of Taste crew were great. Highly recommend this cooking class to anyone interested in learning how to prepare delicious Thai dishes and also learn about the culture. The class was really fun and we learned a lot. Our teacher, April, is very patient and knowledgeable. Her English is very good and we can communicate fluently. She took us to the market and introduced Thai ingredients. The cooking instructions are very clear and none of us burnt the kitchen. The food is amazing and very easy to cook. This is the best experience in Thai. Excellent master class. Chef Gif is awesome, highly professional, pleasant and responsive. She spoke very interestingly and in detail about each dish and ingredient, and mentioned Thai traditions associated with cooking. It was easy, fun and delicious. I recommend everyone to come to this MK with Chef Gif. You will learn an unforgettable pleasure, experience and learn how to cook 4 dishes of Thai cuisine. 2 of them I have never even tried. It turned out to be very tasty. I wish success and prosperity to such a wonderful team and Gif personally. Thank you for a nice day. Wasn't my first time attending a cooking class in Thailand, cause I've done it in Chiang Mai back in 2016 and in Bangkok last 2018, but this was my first time in House of Taste. Really liked it that May, our teacher, was teaching us practical things about the ingredients, the process, and possible substitutes/removal of ingredients to the dishes we were going to make, before we even started chopping, and even going upstairs where all of the gas stoves and woks were. She also made it a point to have us recap what she just talked about to ensure everyone would remember it and not just cook for the experience but actually take home new learnings when it comes to Thai cuisine. Tips. 1. Follow the map guide shared along with your Klook voucher. Look for the money changer as the landmark, as the school is in a small street. 2. Scan the QR code on the table after class and make sure you download the recipe book to remember everything you've learned. Recipes are in servings of 1. 3. You can also explore the area after the cooking class, since if you go out the main road it gets livelier. This was so fun. I would recommend anyone coming to Thailand to try this cooking activity. We had to cook 4 Thai dishes. It was worth it. The duration is just nice, ingredients prepped, but it also gave us a chance to cook ourselves. And our cooking instructor May, she's really good at teaching and pretty too. The recipes are really amazing. It's so tasty. I kept wanting to eat more. Shout out to May. It was such a cozy session with May and learning more about Thai food from her. Thank you for this experience. 11/10. We had an enjoyable hands-on experience cooking our favorite Thai dishes at the House of Taste cooking class. Itinerary started with a visit to the local market in Siloam to shop for the ingredients for our class. It was our first time to visit such a market and it was an interesting experience. Under the guidance of the local English-speaking instructor, we learned to cook 4 Thai dishes, including our favorite pad Thai and mango sticky rice. Finally, we could taste our culinary creations, which tasted so good. It was a morning well spent. Highly recommend this activity if you visit Bangkok. Our teacher was the intern called April. She is an amazing teacher, very caring and good with communication. No need to eat breakfast before this class, cause you will be full after you finish the course. Little tips: try to choose the Sunday morning class cause the traffic would be smooth, no need to wake up earlier for the traffic jam.